In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create teams on Monday.com. This productivity and team management tool has become increasingly popular for its user-friendly interface and versatility in handling various projects and tasks. What particularly makes Monday.com stand out is its feature that allows users to create specific teams within their organization, enhancing collaboration and efficiency. If you've been looking to streamline your project management further by creating dedicated teams, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating teams on Monday.com. Imagine you've logged into your Monday.com account and you're greeted with the familiar home screen, your canvas for creating, managing, and overseeing all your work. Visualize the home screen with its colorful and intuitive layout, welcoming yet bustling with possibility. The first action requires a movement to the top right corner of your screen, where your profile picture or icon resides. It's a small yet significant step to access the myriad of options related to your account and workspace settings. Picture yourself clicking on this profile icon, a gateway to further customization and management opportunities within Monday.com. Upon clicking your profile, a drop-down menu will reveal itself, and among the numerous options provided, one will pique your interest. Teams. The Teams option stands as your next selection in this journey of creating a new team. Click on Teams, and you'll be ushered into the realm where collaboration begins to take a more structured form. You're now directed to the Teams section. Here, amongst the already existing teams, if any, there's a prominent feature beckoning for your attention: the New Team button. This button is your cue to embark on the actual creation process. Imagine clicking it, feeling the anticipation of bringing a new collaborative group into existence. Now, with the canvas ready for your input, it's time to give your team a name. The team name is more than a label, it's an identity, a banner under which your team members will rally and collaborate. It represents the purpose, the project, or the department you're congregating the personnel for. So, type in a name that resonates with the mission and the spirit of your team. With the identity of your team firmly established, the next phase brings in the essence of any team, its members. Here, you're prompted to add the individuals who will stand shoulder to shoulder in achieving the team's objectives. Begin typing the names of your colleagues you wish to include in this newly formed team. As you type, Monday.com, with its intuitive design, will suggest names matching your input, streamlining the process of adding team members. Finally, after specifying the team's name and its members, a sole action remains: clicking on Create. This moment, clicking Create, is the culmination of your efforts, the bridge between planning and actualization. By clicking this, you breathe life into your team, setting the stage for collaboration, innovation, and progress. With those steps completed, you've successfully created a team on Monday.com. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. This creation sparks the beginning of enhanced teamwork and project management. As your team embarks on its mission, Monday.com offers a plethora of tools and features to assist in communication, task management, progress tracking, and more, ensuring that your team's journey is not just about reaching goals, but about transforming the experience of collaboration. Creating teams on Monday.com is a straightforward process, designed to be executed with ease, but filled with the potential to significantly impact how you manage projects and collaborate. Whether you're coordinating a small project or orchestrating a wide-scale operation, the ability to create and manage teams effectively lays the groundwork for seamless collaboration and ultimate success. And with that, you now know how to create teams on Monday.com. Experiment with this feature, explore the various tools at your disposal within Monday.com, and watch as your project management processes evolve to be more efficient and dynamic. Remember, every great team starts with a single step, and today you've taken that step. Happy team building, and here's to the many successes you and your team will achieve together.